Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Monday, May the 24th. We're also going to do our preview for the coming week as we begin with our news items for this week. Nothing on the news docket for today. We quickly jump into Tuesday with consumer confidence, information about crude, and several unemployment reports. Actually, one unemployment report, the United unemployment claims, something about home sales, of course, and then of course our core PC price index. So very interesting reports as we head into obviously the most important one here is on Thursday, the prelim GDP. Measuring the last quarter as growth, we're expecting at 6.4. We'll see what happens then. And of course, we're heading into the holiday weekend. We quickly jump to our news, to our charts with our daily chart. As we can see, here comes the battle of the bulls, back, bouncing off the 50 SMA, battling against the 20 SMA. We closed above it or right just on it. And today we're kicking off just a little above it. Erratic kind of volume we've had last several days. I'm expecting a little bit of the same kind of movement, kind of bouncing both ways, at least initially in our session. Let's quickly jump to our next analysis chart here as we look behind these numbers. This is where we were on Friday, and we were talking about this current test. There's your test. Market actually fails the test, comes back again. And we have this trend line here, and it fell a little short, and it bounces immediately right after. As a matter of fact, if you notice, we do have we have an area, price area here, that the market is bouncing off from. So now here we go again, test number two since we reached here on Friday. Remember, we had the double top here earlier in the week, and here's the market trying to move a little bit higher. So we'll see what happens there. Let's look at our analysis chart. Chart clearly next, the closest one to our trading chart. And as we can see, intraday high, intraday low, coming off the low after we set up the gap. Gap was quickly filled. Market has a ascending triangle here between this trend line here and this obvious resistance area. Market is holding. We're expecting the market to at least run a little bit to the upside. What's going to happen after the retest here? Is the market going to continue, or is the market going to continue from here? This is obviously where the market wants to go to retest ultimately. Maybe early in the morning, maybe in midday, maybe in the afternoon if the market goes higher. Otherwise, we can expect the market to find a little bit of movement to the downside. Those are our plays for today. Keep your eyes open on these particular areas that we're pointing out to. Wait for confirmation and make sure you place your stops. Have a great session. Have a great week. Take care.